Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yeah, in today's video I am going to see like I am a real army or not. Like I am going to give the BTS quiz. You can also give the quiz with me. So now let's see. So now let's give the BTS quiz. I don't know now, but let's see. Start. 1, 2, 3. There are the total 25 questions. Let's see how many questions answer I can give. Yeah. If I cannot give the some questions answer, so don't judge me. Yeah. Of course I don't know everything about BTS, but yeah, I know them like from like 3 to 4 years or 2 to 4 years. Like I know them. Each questions have 1 point. So let's see how many point I get out of 25. I want to say one thing to army, that you can also give the quiz with me. You can also comment down your points out of 25. So let's see. I will put my point somewhere here. There will be a 7 second to answer one question, but you can pause if you want to. Yeah, but you can pause if you want to. Comment down your scores. Yeah, and also comment down your scores. Yeah, please come. Let's begin. What does the BTS stand for? B. Benten Seondan. Benten Seondan. Yeah. B. My answer is B. What's your answer? Benten Seondan. Yeah, of course. Benten Seondan. Yeah. I get 1 point. Yeah. Now second question. Who is the leader of the BTS? RM. B. RM. RM. Yeah, right answer. RM. I think starting questions are like basic one. So of course I know na. Now third question. Who is the youngest member? My favorite, Jungkook. Yeah. Yeah, answer is Jungkook.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Jungkookie. Fourth. I know the answer. It is a B. Jimin. Yeah, Jimin. Save me. I got 4 points. Now question 5. What is the name of their first song? What is name of their first song? I think No More Dreams. Yeah, I skipped this one. Answer is No More Dream. Yeah. Yeah, I was confused between C and D. So yeah. Now sixth. Who collabs with the BTS for Boy With Love? Yeah, I know. My answer is D. Yeah, D. Now question 7. Guess this BTS 21 character. Oh my god, I don't know. Suki. Answer is like A. Suki. I didn't know that. I lose 2 points. Now 8. Yeah. Yeah, which album does the song on belong to?
A. Love Yourself answer. Map of the Soul. B. C. B. And D is Map of the Soul Persona.
Yeah, my answer is B. Map of the Soul 7. Yeah. Yeah, my answer is right. B. Map of the Soul 7. Yeah. Now ninth one. How many BTS members are rappers?
First of all, RM, Suga, and J-Hope.
RM, Suga and J-Hope. My answer is A. 3. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. A. 3. J-Hope, Suga and RM. Guess the BTS song by the screenshot. I am confused in this, but I am gonna to choose a Run or Fire. I think so B. Fire. I don't know. Yeah, Fire. My answer was right. Fire. Which BTS song broke YouTube records from most viewer music video premiere? I think so. It is a Dynamite or Boy with Love or DNA or Black Sword. I think it is a Dynamite. C. I'm gonna with C. Dynamite maybe. Yeah. Dynamite. It was a Dynamite. 12. Who sang the solo song Emphany? Emphany. I think it is a 4. Gee. My answer was right. Yeah, now the question 13. When is BTS Suga's birthday? I think I know. No. Wait. I think Suga's birthday in September. I know, but I'm confused between 12th September or 1st September. I think I'm gonna with a 1st September. 4th. Yeah, don't know that. Yeah, I lose the point. Now 14. Guess who is the singing? I know it is a V. It is a V voice. V's voice. I'm gonna with first option V. Yeah, that was my right answer. Yay. Yeah. Who said this line? I know movie, but I don't know the movie name. I know it is a Jungkook. Like one interview or something. Yeah, he was said that. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna with option B, Jungkook.
I know movie, but I don't know movie name.
Oh my god!
What does ARMY stands for? Like, yeah, I don't know. What the hell? I don't know the ARMY stands for. Now let's go with B. Yay! Yeah, I'm confused between A and B, but I choose B and B was the right answer. So yeah. Who is the best dancer? Of course, everyone knows J-Hope is the best dancer in group. D. Of course. Now 18th question. Guess the BTS members by eyes. He is a Jimin. I'm sure he is a Jimin. Yes, Nidhi, yeah. And believe me, this is also my first time to seeing these questions. I didn't see these questions before, so yeah, just believe me. Question number 19. Yeah. How many songs are there in the album Wings? I don't know. But let me guess. I'm gonna with option B. Let's see. Yeah, it is a 15. Now the question 20. 2020. Which member is also known as a August D? I think it is a Suga. I'm gonna with 1. Yeah, I was right. Question 21. Let's see. Who is the first member to join BTS? I think he was RM. I'm gonna with option C, RM. RM or Jimin, but not Jungkook and V. I'm confused between Jimin and RM, but I'm gonna to choose the RM. Yeah, he was RM. Yeah, I know. So yeah. Now question 22. Let's see. I'm so happy just because I don't know the questions before. Where was the BTS Jungkook born? Yeah, I know. Busan? No. I'm gonna with option A. Please. Oh my god. It was a B, Busan. I didn't know that. So sad. Now let's see the question 23. Guess the BTS choreography. Oh, I don't know that choreography. Answer is We Are Bulletproof Part 2. Yeah, I didn't know that. Sorry. Now let's see the question 24. What is the real name of V? Kim Taeyong. Of course, everyone knows Kim Tae-young. They are trying to confuse us with the spelling, but I know that it was a D. Kim Tae-young. Kim Tae-young, yeah. Option D, I know. 100% sure. I see now, I'm 100% sure about that. Because I also know how to like write the Kim Tae-young in a Korean language. Just because I also learned the every member's name to write in a Korean. I know. Wait, like I'm confused why they only have 24 questions. I will also put my score here, and you can also put your score in a comment section. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you like my video. If you like, then click on a like button, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Toodles.